Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The idea of a 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome instantly conjures up a vision of bold style and unmatched elegance applied to the roomy form factor of a recreational vehicle. Although high-performance sports cars and, more lately, luxury SUVs continue to be Lamborghini's major focus, the idea of a motorhome bearing their brand raises the possibility of a vehicle that would surely redefine the parameters of mobile luxury. Understanding Lamborghini's design philosophy, sharp, angular lines, a low-slung profile where appropriate, and a commanding road presence is necessary to envision such a car. When transferred to a motorhome, this can seem as a silhouette that maintains a feeling of dynamic movement although being larger by nature. Perhaps discreetly incorporating aerodynamics into the design could mimic the active aerodynamics of their supercars. Signature Lamborghini design characteristics would probably be seen on the outside, such eye-catching lighting elements, like possibly Y-shaped LED headlights and taillights, and striking geometric bodywork. To control weight while preserving structural integrity, lightweight yet durable materials, possibly including carbon fiber components, could be used. Modern technology and opulent luxury will surely be given top priority in the interior of a 2025 Lamborghini motorhome. Picture a large living space furnished with the best Italian leather, custom cabinetry made of exotic woods, and ambient lighting systems that create an elegant ambience. The demands of discriminating travelers would be met by the incorporation of cutting-edge infotainment systems, perhaps with enormous, high-resolution displays and top-notch music. A focal point would be a fully furnished gourmet kitchen with opulent furnishings and cutting-edge appliances. With luxurious bedding and well-thought-out en-suite amenities, the bedroom quarters would probably provide a haven of peace and quiet. Even if performance might not be a motorhome's main priority, Lamborghini engineering would still be evident. One can imagine a potent engine that would provide enough power for smooth cruising, perhaps taken from their SUV or even a hybrid's powertrain. Despite the vehicle's size, a sophisticated suspension system would be essential to provide a comfortable ride. To ensure confident stopping power, Lamborghini's renowned high-performance brake systems would be necessary. A 2025 Lamborghini Motorhome's market placement would be firmly in the ultra-luxury sector, appealing to people who, even in a recreational vehicle, seek exclusivity and the highest levels of comfort and performance. It would be a declaration, a moving example of Lamborghini's dedication to unwavering quality. Although completely speculative at this point, the idea of a Lamborghini motorhome conjures up a striking image of a car that would surely draw attention and revolutionize the luxury vacation market. Its development would represent a daring foray into unexplored terrain for the Lamborghini brand, offering individuals who are lucky enough to acquire one a distinctive and opulent experience.